Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hira Zamir. I'm from MS Chemistry Department in University of Management and Technology. Here I'm going to present my topic under the supervision of Dr. Hammad Majeed. The topic of my presentation is high pressure flow reactors. These are specialized reactors that carries out chemical reaction at elevated pressure while maintaining the continuous flow of reactant and products. That's why they also called a high pressure continuous flow reactor. This kind of reactor used widely in chemical and industrial processes. HPCER is a cylindrical container. HPCER is not confusing, it is a high pressure flow reactor. It's a cylindrical container that is filled with a solid material where fluids are pumped through. At its inlet, distillation reactions are predominant, but over time and space, the concentrations of the reagents decreases and the concentration of the product increases. Along the reaction path, precipitation becomes more important. Water tank is present, feed tank is present, then high pressure pump is used and electrical preheater. Then our material, our reactant or the substrate is fed into the reactor, fed preheater, sand bath, and our cold reactor. Then it is sent to the cooler and back pressure regulator, and we can obtain our gas liquid separator. High pressure flow reactors, which is also known as high pressure continuous flow reactors, are specialized chemical reactors which are designed to carry out the chemical reaction at elevated temperature. Key features of high pressure reactors, first of all, is continuous flow. Unlike batch processes, which processes reactant in discrete batches, flow reactors allow for a continuous flow of reactant into the system. The continuous flow designs can be enhance productivity, provide better control over the reaction condition. High pressure flow reactors are capable of operating at elevated pressure as suggested from its name, that is the high pressure, typically ranging from tens to hundreds of bars. High pressure can be necessary for the specific chemical reactions such as the hydrogenation or the synthesis of high pressure gases. Temperature control. These reactors often feature a temperature control system to maintain the desired chemical reaction. Precise temperature control is essential to achieve the desired reaction. Safety measures. Working with the high pressure require safety measures to prevent accidents, ensure the well-being of the personnel. High pressure flow reactors are equipped with the safety features such as the pressure relief system. The material of construction is very important because high pressure condition these reactors are typically constructed from the material that can withstand with the high mechanical stresses and corrosive environment. Common material are the stainless steels, high strength alloys and specialized coating. The application of high pressure flow reactors is surface X-ray diffraction, in which quartz reactor is present, gas flow is given, hydrogen and methane is injected into the reactor and which makes the gas flow. High pressure is provided and we obtain our desired product. A versatile instrument for the in situ study of catalytic surface by the surface X-ray diffraction and grazing incident small angle X-ray scattering. The reaction product analysis by mass spectrometry. The instruction bridges so called that pressure gaps and material gaps at the same time within one experimental setup. It allows for the preparation and study of catalytically achieve single crystal surface and equipped with the evaporator for the deposition of thin pure metal film necessary for the formation of the small metaparticles. The experimental study of carbon dioxide mineral storage it is also used for this. A large scale laboratory high pressure column flow reactors enabling experimental work on the water rock interaction in the presence of the dissolved gases, which is demonstrated by the carbon dioxide. This reactor allows the sampling of pressurized gas charged liquid along with the flow path. It can also be used with the different gas and gas mixtures as well as for the supercritical fluid applications. The scale of the this reactor, the possibility of the sampling is very important, and the pH in the situ all random there other reactors. This reactor is unique in comparison with the other because column constructed for study of water rock interactions. Hydrogen is injected into the gas flow meter. Starting material and catalyst is added into the reacting material, and then Z-boot separation is applied, and we can obtain our catalytic analysis after the product is achieved. It is also used into the hydrogenation. Many hydrogenation reactions that take place under the high pressure reaction conditions, which is used into the pharmaceutical, petrochemical, and food industries. It can all be carried out by the high pressure flow reactor. Polymerization, the production of the certain type of the polymer such as the high density polyethylene, and many involve high pressure polymerization reactors. That high density polyethylene, this chemical is can only be produced in a high pressure conditions. Chemical synthesis, high pressure flow reactors also used into the chemical synthesis and supercritical fluid extraction. It is also used into the supercritical fluid extraction, such as supercritical carbon dioxide, are used for the extracting compounds from the natural sources, and high pressure flow reactors can be employed in this process. High pressure gas production. Industries that involve in the production of the high pressure gases like the ammonia or the hydrogen or the utilize uh, other important chemical reactions that they must have to carry out to achieve this kind of the reactions. These all kind of the industries are using the high pressure flow reactor. Thank you so much.